We begin with more details surrounding the drowning death of a Deer Creek High School graduate.
Such a tragedy. It's a story we've been following. In June, 18-year-old Toyin Amuda was found dead during a pool party at an upscale home in Deer Creek. New search warrants revealing dozens of teens were at the party, many of them allegedly smoking marijuana and drinking. In addition, 3 adults, including 2 homeowners, were present. And now, questions over whether those adults could face charges. News 4's Bria Berry is looking into it for us. Bria.
Well, that's right, Kevin. And under Oklahoma's social host law, if someone provides a place for people under 21 to gather and drink, the person is considered a social host and could face charges. Bottom line, all homeowners have a tremendous responsibility.
This is what this law specifically states is, hey, you've breached your duty here by allowing alcohol to be provided and served and even consumed by those that are not of lawful age to do so.
Even if they didn't know?
Even if they didn't know.
The question that remains front and center in the investigation into Toyin Amuda's drowning, could the homeowners face social host charges? An affidavit reveals an abundance of alcohol on tables surrounding the pool. It also reveals about 25 to 35 teens attended the party. None of them were of legal age.
It's important that everyone understands the rationale behind this particular type of law. And it is simply don't provide a forum for young underage people to engage in alcohol consumption and use.
No charges have been filed in this case, and the investigation is ongoing. Defense attorney Tony Coleman says that's to be expected. Social host charges should not be filed right away. He adds it takes an organized and careful investigation to make sure all the facts are known.
You don't want to rush to judgment here and cause others to be harmed or suffer in a way that you can avoid if you take your time and do things right.
Coleman is not connected to Amuda's case. The family's lawyer will not answer questions about the newly uncovered information, including the cell phone the family or the attorney did not hand over to authorities. That phone was seized during a search warrant.
I think that at the end of the day, as they continue to peel back the layers, the truth is going to come out.
And again, no charges have been filed in this case. Defense attorney Tony Coleman says it is important to understand the reason behind the social host law. You can't provide a venue for underage people to engage in alcohol consumption, even if you don't know.